Removing an admin from your Facebook business page is straightforward, but requires the page owner role. First, go to your Facebook business page and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Next, select Page Roles from the left-hand menu. Locate the admin you wish to remove and click the drop-down menu next to their name and current role. Choose Remove. Confirm your decision. As of January 2025, ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled, as this is now mandatory for all admins and page owners. Keep in mind that removing an admin revokes all associated permissions immediately. The removed admin will receive a notification. Facebook business pages have 5 core roles: admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, and analyst. Only the page owner can remove other admins. It's crucial to understand these roles to avoid misuse or internal conflicts. Assign roles carefully and audit them regularly. If you are not the page owner, you cannot remove admins. Meta may intervene and remove admins who violate policies. Consider using AI-assisted role suggestions in Meta Business Suite to proactively manage potential conflicts. Also ensure the removal complies with employment laws. Regularly review and update role assignments to maintain security and efficiency.